this turn should be about 0.25 miles from the Hurricane Bridge and 0.9 miles from the turn in Dockery. So that's Hurricane Creek. We're headed to Dockery Gap Falls, which is the name of this area, Dockery Gap. We have to bushwhack through this forest. We're parked up there, but it's 1.5 miles there and 1.5 miles back. Hurricane Creek. And they say we will follow this for a while and we'll run into a pipeline. And so that's briars, like a wall. Now, I think I am on the trail that people use because you can come right through here and go right through these briars right here. There. And now we made it to the pipeline. Crossing this pipeline, I decided to come closer to the creek, and I found this road. I found this old wall, just bushwhacking. And the road I was on, it went left or straight, and I decided to go straight, but then I was noticing Hurricane Creek, and this is all flat. There's not going to be no waterfall. So I decided to go left and take the road that was going up this ridge. So I believe that will be where the waterfall is. And then I ran into that runoff that is going into Hurricane Creek and this wall. And I'm thinking that that road might be an old wagon trail. Because this is an old wall. Look how dilapidated it is. It's about 1920 or something. Yeah, I checked the map. It does show that when you get to that runoff that runs into Hurricane Creek, that you take a left and go up. And this road goes left and goes up. They blocked that road off with trees and stuff. So I'm gonna take a left here through here. You can see where this branch has been broke. And follow this ridge pretty much until I get to that runoff creek that I found, and then we'll hike up from there if we need be. So this is that runoff I was telling you about, and on Tim Ernst's map there's only one runoff running into Hurricane Creek, and when we get to that we have to take a left. So it doesn't show any, like we have to cross one and then go to another one. So I'm gonna head up stream on this and see if we can find that waterfall. I'm crossing back over because that's a briery mess right there. That's a briery mess, but I think I can get up on this ledge and then walk that ledge on up. It's a beautiful day though. Yeah, bushwhacking, you might go back and forth, just the best route you can find. Whoa! So we're still following this creek that runs into Hurricane Creek. Well, I decided to come down from that ledge because see how far up it goes? And I don't know if I'd be able to make it down to this creek. So I'm going to follow the creek now. I think I'm going to cross here and follow this ledge. So this is just a drainage into this creek here. So this is not Dockery Gap. Dockery Gap's going to be the next one if I can get to it. It's pretty rugged. This is pretty rugged terrain. And I think I can because it's not that far. But it is a pretty little drainage fall, for sure. coming soon because woo, we'll fell off of this thing. Hopefully this is right up there. I'm gonna go up there and hopefully it's up there. If not, I'm gonna have to turn around. This thing's getting rugged. Woo. This is some rugged terrain. I try following the creek and then it's like that. Try following the bluff and then you end up there. And look what I found. I found it. I found it. Thank you, Jesus. We're almost there. I can make that, I think. Woo, Dockery Falls. Dockery Gap Falls, 36-foot waterfall. We found it. This is gonna be fun shooting. Cool.
What's the use in trying to write another song when I've got 100 others that are only half gone? They've been stripped of parts and left to rust somewhere in the junkyards of my heart. I don't recommend you look for them, you never know what you might find. What's the use in trying to explain who I am? I am just a combination of every book I've ever read, every skyline I've looked upon, and every tune I've ever heard. Every alleyway I've stumbled